Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a copy of Google Forms to respondents. This is incredibly useful when you want to share survey results, feedback forms, or collect responses from specific people in your team or community. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your forms and can manage who receives them. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard where you can see all your recent forms laid out for easy access. Look through your recent forms section and click on the specific form you want to share with respondents. This will open up the form in edit mode, giving you full control over its settings and sharing options. Now direct your attention to the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find several important options for managing your form. Click on the Share button, which is typically represented by an icon that looks like a person with a plus sign or simply labeled as Share. This button is your gateway to controlling who can access and interact with your form. Once you click Share, a dialog box will appear with a text field front and center. This is where you'll enter the email address of the person you want to send the form to. Go ahead and type in their email address carefully, then press Enter on your keyboard. This action adds them to your recipient list and prepares the form for sending. Here's an important step. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears right beside the email address you just entered. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal different permission levels from the options presented. Select Responder. This designation is crucial because it determines what level of access the recipient will have. By choosing Responder, you're allowing them to fill out and submit the form without being able to edit its structure or settings. Finally, once you've confirmed that the email address is correct and the permission level is set to Responder, click the Send button. This will deliver the form directly to the recipient's email inbox where they can easily access and complete it at their convenience. And that's it. You've successfully sent your Google form to a respondent, ensuring they have the right level of access to provide their responses. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.